In this tutorial, I will show you how to make an animation slide in Microsoft PowerPoint like this. So if you want to be an expert, watch the video till the end. Let's begin the topic. This is a new Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. Let me go to new slide, insert a blank slide. Now let me go to insert, go to shapes, pick a rectangle shape and drag it over here like this. Go to shape outline, make it no outline, go to shape fill, make it this fill color. Now again go to insert, go to shapes, pick a rectangle shape and draw it like this. Go to shape fill, make it white fill, go to shape outline, make it no outline. By holding the control key, drag the mouse like this and make a copy and make it like a road. Now select all of the slide and press Ctrl G to group it. Now let me go to insert, go to picture, go to this device and select a picture from your computer. Let me select this picture. So I have downloaded this picture from the most favorite website freepik.com. In the freepik.com, if you write here animated forest, you will find various photo here. You can easily download it. This photo in the video description, you can easily download it from there. Now let me fit it with the slide. Now background is ready and the road is ready. I have to add some animation. Let me go to insert, go to picture, go to this device, click on download. I have to add the fox animation. Let me click on insert where I found this fox animation. If you go to Google and write here fox animation GIF, you will find some fox animation. You can easily download it from here. I will give you the fox animation in the description box. So let me go to here. Let me zoom out, resize it and place it like this. Now let me go to insert, go to picture, go to this device, select the animated chicken, click on insert and let me resize it and place it like this. You can easily download it by searching in Google. You can search here by writing animated chicken GIF. You will find the animation here. This one I will give you in the video description. Now I have to add some animation. Let me click on this one. Go to animation, go to add animation, click on motion path lines, effect option from the right and click on animation pen, click on here, go to effect option, smooth in 0 second, smooth start 0 seconds, click on OK and change the duration to 7 seconds. Now select this one, go to add animation, click on lines, effect option right. Now go to effect option, smooth in, smooth start 0 seconds and change the duration to 5 seconds because the chicken will go faster. Now I have to drag it and place it like this, and this one, the fox, place it like this. Click this one and set it with previous. Now I have to watch the slideshow. The chicken is going too much faster, so I have to change the chicken duration to 6 seconds. Now let me watch the slideshow. This is looking so perfect. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.